Looking for a secure and reliable money box for your Whirlpool or Maytag laundry machines? The 72101 XD ESD Money Box, Greenwald 8-1275 equivalent, is your trusted solution for commercial laundry coin collection. Built for durability and high performance, this coin box features a cone face design and includes one XD type key per unit. The XD key is known for its high security, making it ideal for laundromats and busy commercial environments. This model fits most Whirlpool and Maytag top-load washers and small chassis dryers. It also includes a hardened faceplate and bolts for added protection. With dimensions of 7.0 by 3.6 by 3.3 inches, it's compact yet strong enough to withstand heavy daily use. Perfect for laundromats, hospitality businesses, and on-premise laundry operations. Now in stock and shipping fast from our Florida warehouse. Order today at lowlaundry.com, your trusted source for high-quality laundry parts and equipment.